There are some places designed to hold history, and others designed to become part of it. In Buffalo, New York, the AKG Art Museum stands somewhere in between. At first glance, it feels modern. Glass walls, open spaces, reflections stretching across steel and stone. But beneath the newest layers of the museum is a story that reaches back more than 160 years, to one of the oldest public art institutions in the United States. The museum began in December of 1862 as the Buffalo Fine Arts Academy, with former President Fillmore among its founders, until businessman and philanthropist John J. Albright funded the museum's first permanent home near Delaware Park. When the building finally opened in 1905, it became known as the Albright Art Gallery. Over the generations that followed, additional supporters helped shape the institution, including Seymour H. Knox Jr. and later Jeffrey Gundlach, whose names now form the museum's modern identity, AKG. Today, the Buffalo AKG is recognized as one of the oldest museums in America, dedicated specifically to modern and contemporary art. But what makes this place interesting isn't just the artwork hanging on the walls. It's the way the building itself reflects Buffalo's story. Older stone structures stand beside walls of glass. Classical architecture meets modern minimalism, the past and present sharing the same space. One of the museum's newest features is Common Sky, a massive mirrored canopy connecting portions of the campus above an open public gathering space. Art, architecture, industry, and reinvention all intersect here in Buffalo, New York, a city constantly reinventing old spaces without fully letting go of what came before. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.